So now that we're done x-raying our patient, it's time to evaluate our images. This first projection is a perianal acanthoid projection, Waters method. It's to see the maxillary sinuses. And in order to have a good image, we want to make sure the petrous pyramids are lying immediately inferior to the floor of the maxillary sinuses. We want to see no rotation or tilt. And with this, you'll be able to see equal distance between the lateral borders of the skull and the lateral borders of the orbital on both sides. We also want to see the orbits and maxillary sinuses symmetric on each side. Here we have the PA axial projection, Caldwell's method. This is to see the frontal and anterior ethmoid sinuses. And in order to have a good image, we want to see no rotation or tilt. This will put us an equal distance between the lateral borders of the skull and the lateral borders of the orbits. We also want to see the petrous ridges symmetrical on both sides, and we want the petrous ridges lying in the lower thirds of the orbits. Here we have the lateral image, and for this image we're able to see the paranasal sinuses. What's a good lateral? A good lateral shows a sella turcica in profile. We want to see superimposed orbital roofs. We also want to see superimposed mandibular rami, so therefore we can't have any rotation or tilt. We also want to see all four sinuses, and with this image, the sphenoid sinus is best demonstrated. Last but not least, we have the SMV here, the submental vertical projection, and this is to see the ethmoid and sphenoidal sinuses. And with this, we want to see no tilt. We want the mid-sagittal plane position perpendicular to the IR. And with this, it will demonstrate equal distance from the lateral border of the skull to the mandibular condyles on both sides. We also want to see the IOML position parallel to the IR. And here would be able to see the sphenoid and ethmoid sinuses. And we want the mandibular condyles anterior to the petrous pyramids. And with that, those are our four images, and we're done.